Good day, everyone. My name is Shara Cristel Aquino, BSISM 4A, and I'm gonna be presenting to you parts and functions of a car. Let's go. First is first is gear stick. Padol lang ka. Yeah. This is the gear stick used to change gears while driving. Pause. And next is accelerator pedal. Controls the engine speed by regulating fuel and air intake. Pause. Next is brake pedal, used to slow down or stop the vehicle. Next is steering wheel. Here, this one is the steering wheel. Controls the direction of the car by turning the front wheels. Pause. Wait, sorry. And then the handbrake. Handbrake keeps the vehicle in place when parked. Pause. Pause. Next is clutch. Allows the driver to change gears smoothly. This one is the rear view mirror. Rear view mirror provides a clear view of the traffic and objects. Goods na? Next is windshield wiper. Windshield wiper clears rain, dirt, and next. Debris from the windshield for better visibility. Go. The battery is inside here and it provides power to start the engine and run the car's electronics. This one is spare wheel. Spare wheel, a replacement wheel and tire used in case of a flat tire. This one is the windshield. Protects the driver and passengers from wind and describes while driving. Describe below. This is the battery. And then this one is the hood. Covers and protect the engine. This one is the seat. Provides a comfortable place for the driver and passengers to sit. This one is the seat belt. Seat belt used to restrain occupants during sudden stops or collisions. Okay. And then the side mirror. Side mirror used to see vehicles or obstacles beside or behind the car. Next is door. Allows passengers and the driver to enter the exit to the car. And then the fuel tank. Fuel tank stores the fuel needed for the engine to operate. Next is bumper. Bumper helps absorb impact and minor collisions. Plate. This one is the plate number. Next is the headlights. Headlights used to see the road at night or in dark conditions. Wait. And this one is the taillights. Make the car visible from behind. And this one is the turn. And this one is the turn signals used to show the direction when turning. This one is the dashboard. Dashboard shows important car information like speed, fuel level, and warning lights. And this one is the speedometer. Shows how fast the car is moving. And the airbag is inside here. Provide protection in case of an accident. Okay. The engine is inside here, the main part that powers the car and makes it move. Next is wheels. Next is wheels. Support the car's width and allow it to move smoothly. Di na akong pakita. Okay. Tires. Provide grip and traction on the road for safe driving. The horn. Produce a loud sound to warn other drivers or pedestrians. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.